Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about superstrings. So superstring is a efficient Python library for heavy text manipulation in Python. So you might think why I should use a new library when we have a built-in string library. So this is because you can see a image or a graph here. Okay, the performance and the memory optimization is very good in this superstring library. So if you are doing heavy text manipulations, you can definitely check out this library. So let's get started. So first we need to install superstring library. So for that, pip install superstring. And it will take a minute for installing this. Yeah, it is done. So now we need to import superstring class into our program. So from superstring, let's import super strings. Okay. So now let's define some text here. Okay. So let's check text is equal to. So if it is a normal built-in text, right, what we do something like this. This is a text, right? So this is a normal text. But let's do it from superstring. Okay. So maybe something, this is a super string. That's all, guys. I mean, this is how we can define a superstring in Python program. So after that, if you want to do any concatenations, or if you want to do slicing, if you want to find length of the string, everything is as normal as any built-in string. But anyhow, let me do it for you. Okay, so this is like superstring 2. So now let me print out text 1 plus text 2. Okay, so let's run this program. See, immediately you got the output here, right? So similarly, let's do the length of each, maybe something like this, length. Okay, length of the string. And if you want to check out the slicing of this one, maybe like this. Everything works as normal, guys. Okay, so what happened here? Did I miss anything? 0. Yeah. So the only difference is you cannot have, you should have value, I mean, when you're slicing a string. Okay. So that we need to remember. But otherwise, guys, so when you're doing a heavy text manipulations, please check out this library. And this is a very good library and I really liked it. I hope you find this video useful and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.